Hello, today our topic is to check if a number is even or odd using Python. So we will take a number as input from user. Then after taking that input, we will convert that input to integer by casting it as int. Now we will check on that number that if that number divisible by 2 leaves none, means if the remainder is 0, then we can say that this we can say number number is even, and in else part we can say number is odd. That's it. Let's test it. So uh, enter a number, let's say 5. So 5 is odd. So what actually it's being done here is that it's taking input on line 1. On line 2, it's checking if that number when divided by 2 leaves none, means that this number is divided by 2, completely divisible by 2 or not. If it is completely divisible by 2, then we can surely say that it is even number. Otherwise we can say that number is odd. So that's the logic behind that, we how we can check in Python that a number is even or odd. So that's it for today. Thank you.